Hello and welcome to another Forged in Ire video. So today we've got something a little bit special. Um, I recently became able to upgrade my forging press. So as you probably know, I have like 4 or 5 videos out where I literally built the forging press that I have been using for the last few months. And it has had several issues over that time. I purchased a shop press and then modified it. The jack that I had was apparently too much for it. I snapped and warped parts to it on an almost monthly basis. I had to repair it like 4 times. It was getting ridiculous. And I ended up getting to a point where the main issue with it was so bad and so critical that I either had to completely get a whole new one and start the process over again, or buy a whole new shop press and then exchange out the part because it was a prefabricated part that was the critical point where the jack pressed against in order to apply pressure to the work. So it got bad. It got really, really bad. So I had been saving up for a new press, and I'm glad that I did because I knew that the press that I built was not going to last for a long time. Now, I still have it, and there is a way to repair it so that it functions. It's just another $200, $300 into it, and like a week of work. And I needed to be able to work now. So I took the plunge and I purchased a 12-ton forging press from Coalironworks. Now, these things they are not the Ferrari of forging presses, but they're damn close. They're the Corvette of forging presses. So owning one is definitely an upgrade from almost anything that you can own. Now, as I said, it's a 12 ton, and what I was working with was a 20 ton. So it's a good idea for me to repair my other one so that I can use it, just so that I have the extra oomph. But I'm not in a place where I can repair it and get it fixed because it had, other than that, other than the critical point of failure, it had some other issues that I still hadn't figured out how to resolve, and there are ways around it. It's just not. It was more trouble to deal with when I needed to have something working. So I bought a functioning forging press designed to do what I need it to do. So this is a video of me getting it on delivery day and putting it together and getting it up and running. I'm over the moon that I've got it. Finally, it is here. So I have a lot of work to do from here on with this wonderful, wonderful press. You'll see at the very end that it just works nicely. It is such a nice piece of equipment. So thank you to Coalironworks for making such a nice piece of equipment. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and before I blather on for any longer, let's get into it. Alright, so that's going to do it for now. Thank you guys for watching. I do apologize that it has taken as long as it has for me to get any content out. There's been a lot going on, so I will keep you guys updated as far as what has been going on after I get done resolving it, for obvious reasons. But I've got a lot of work to do, so I'm hoping to get a lot of work done in a short amount of time now that I've got the right tool for the job. Again, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to share, comment, like, subscribe. All of these things help the channel a lot. I'm trying to get as much stuff out as possible just so that you guys got stuff to watch. You know, it's kind of my job here. So, again, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to do all of those things. They really, really help the channel. And be safe and keep forging.